Yo, what's up, Superfit fam? Today I'm at Athletic Apex. Today I'm going to be doing something really interesting. I'm going to see what my max is on my pull-ups. I have not done this in about a year, and since coronavirus has been going on, I'm going to be really interested to see where I'm at. All right, guys, let's get it. Really quick, I wanted to go over what did I mean by antagonist in that description. I'm referring to antagonist muscle groups. An antagonist muscle group is the muscle group opposite from the one being worked. So since the primary exercise I'm doing is pull-ups and the muscle being worked is lats, the opposite muscle group is the anterior deltoids. Hence why I did handstands.
You got this, bro. I know you got it. Let's go.
Woo! Yo, coming down. Man down, man down, man down. Push tall through your fingers. Push tall. Push tall, push tall, push tall, push. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Hold that, hold that, hold that. Don't stop. You got that all day, all day, all day, all day, all day, all day. Keep going. Woo! All right, so we're going for 100 pounds. Let's see if we get it. Goal is, I think I can hit 2 or 3 reps. All right, this is heavy. I would say that's like 3.95 reps. I got my chin just up to the bar. I want to get my chin over the bar completely, so 3.9 reps, not bad. All right, I think I'm gonna push it to, let's see if we can go 110. So we're gonna jump up to 115. So it's gonna be 115. We'll see if we can get 2 reps. If I get 2 reps, we're gonna go for 125. If I don't get 2 reps, we're gonna say that my max today is 115. Action space.
Six and a half hours later.
All right, you guys ready for the funny part? Standing up with this is hell. Let's go! One rep, one rep. So I definitely got, I would say that was about 2 reps. Were they 100% clean? Yeah, but I definitely think I can pull. I think I can pull 125 and definitely get 1 clean rep. So we'll go up to 125. We'll add 10 pounds and see where we're at.
Yeah.
This should be my 1 max rep. So let's see what happens. All right, let's go. 1 rep. Ooh, I definitely cannot do another one rep. Really having trouble. Just getting this off you is crazy. This is really heavy. In a month or so, I want to see if I can make it to 135. We'll see where I'm at in a month, but that was crazy. All right, guys. So that's the end of my weighted pull-up challenge. Trying to see where I'm at. I'm currently at 125, 1 rep. Like I said, in a couple months, we'll see where I'm at. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the handstands and everything else. Until next time, Superfit fam, let's get it.
All right, Superfit fam, if you guys really enjoyed that video, please remember to leave a like and subscribe down below. If you guys have any other questions, leave it in the comments. Also, check out some of my other videos for calisthenics motivation, tips on how to do skills, or just a little bit about my backstory. Until next time, guys, let's get it.